What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, guys. We're back with another one. It's early morning. It's about 7 in the morning right now. High tide's at 10. We're trying to beat the rain. We're supposed to get rain like around 9. So we're trying to see if we could get a fish on this Sunday morning. We're using nothing but artificial bait today. So I got some 6-inch camel sandworms from Gulp. And then I have some SP minnows and a bomber plug. That's it. I just threw out the sandworms and I got them sitting out there. I threw some Procure on there, some bloodworm scent. And let's see if we could get a fish, man. It's looking pretty calm. It's looking pretty nice out today. I didn't have time to go and dig worms. It was too dark out during low tide. I wasn't gonna go out there in the pitch black by myself and dig for worms. So that's what we're using. Hopefully we could get on one and we could do like a little catch and cook, hopefully. Hopefully, if not, we get skunked. It is what it is. It is a little cold, probably like 44 degrees out. But the fish are out here. We got some boats out in the water right now. They just headed out for their day trip or whatever. So we'll keep an eye on them. Couple kayaks out there as well. I got the drone in the air, filming. Hopefully we could get some shots on the drone. That'd be cool, catching a fish. Anyway, enough talking. Let me get to fishing. I'm gonna turn the GoPro on. I've yet ever in my life to catch a striped bass with any type of lure. I've only caught striped bass with live bait. And I'm hoping today will be the day where I fucking land a fish using some type of fucking lure. Thumbs up if I catch a fucking fish using a lure. Fish are here. I need to tie this one here. I found some tapeworms, some ribbon worms on the floor throughout the pier. Got a nice one there. Yeah, that's a nice one. Keeper. Pedacito. Gracias. Oh, let me put this here. Tómalo. Gracias. Wrap it around like so. wrap this stuff around. Alright. That's good. Leave this hook exposed a bit. Let's see. Oof. Está buena la pesca. Dale, Perú, ahí sí. Ahí sí, Perú. Se brincó. Pero que, ya que están de pinga los maricones. It's going down, guys. We're getting bites. Bueno, manín, si le da esta, se jodió. Si le da de nuevo, se jodió. Ahí se jodió. Ahí se jodió. Ahí se jodió. Hoy sí. Ahí se jodió.
No lo pierdas, porque sí, vamos a tener que borrar el video. Está grande, carnal.
Más o menos. Manín.
¿La arriba para acá, manín?
Ahorita, ajá. Bueno, voy a tener que caminar para la orilla para que me persiga.
Ok.
A ver.
Sí. Míralo, carnal. Wow. Está chiquito. ¿Lo puedes subir?
Sí.
Ahí se va. 1, 2, 3. 1, rápido. Ellos, ese es el compa. Mira, salieron en el video.
Got one. Nice little schoolie. A ver. Chiquito, loco. Es un poco más grande. Ah, shit. We got a nice little schoolie. We know he's not a keeper size, so we're gonna put him back and hope we get a keeper. Nice little schoolie. We're gonna put him back. Alright, so if you watched my last video, man, I told you these things work. When nothing else is working, this shit works. I got lucky. I found some on the pier from guys coming in at night. They break off, they leave them, and they go home, and then I come in the morning and I grab their scraps. Oh God. But yeah, anyway, less talking, more fishing. I'm gonna tie this on a little bit more, and then I'm gonna throw it out there, see if we get another one. All right, again, I just wanna tie this on so I can throw this out there and get another one. It's looking pretty good. So this is what your bait should look like when it's tied on. Hook exposed. Estoy diciendo lo que soy de lo bueno, loco, lo que tengo, tengo tiempo. Ya, esta está torcida. Ay, ay, ay. Tiene que caer algo, loco. So look, this is the setup. Tapeworm and a bunch of fake sandworms. I'm gonna throw it and I'm not gonna cut the video. I'm gonna catch one with this, with the fake camels and the tapeworms.
Otro.
Está un poco mejor. ¿Está grabando? Sí. Vamos a esto, loco, tráete la cámara.
No se cae esto de aquí, ¿verdad?
No, ahí está.
Bien, tranquilo, tranquilo, tranquilo.
A mí. A ver.
Sí, está grande, está grande.
Lo entro, ¿verdad? Hay que caminar
Sí,
un poco.
sí. Así mismo arrástralo para arriba para que no, arrástralo más, ajá. Súbelo más para que vaya por arriba, eso. Para que no cabecee.
I'm gonna walk them down, guys. I think I could probably bend them up, but he's almost.
Así.
We almost got him. Puta! Alright, la puedes dejar ahí, loco. Gracias, mi loco. I'm about to grab them up. We're gonna get the tape measure and we're gonna measure them real quick. You. Let's get the tape, boys. Let's get the tape. We're gonna do catch and cook today, baby. And I might stay out here for a bit, do some more catch and release, see what the biggest we could get today would be. I was planning on going to the gym and doing some laundry. We're gonna scratch the gym out today. Just gonna do laundry. So gonna keep this guy, I'm pretty sure, so we can do the catch and cook. We're gonna measure him, of course. And then I'll scale him here, I'll gut him, show you how to do that. And take it to my mother's house and we're gonna show you guys how we do it, Dominican style. Catch and cook Dominican style. Let's see. Gonna switch the line to the, switch the camera. Actually, let's see, I could probably put it down, but clean my hands off, and if anything, I'll film it on the GoPro, the measurements. A ver. Ahí.
Yeah, 29.
29.
29.
Hope you guys can see that.
Más grande que el mío.
Let's go. Let's get it.
Get him through the gills. Get all the blood out. One like that. He'll bleed out. Got him. Just like that. Precision. Go in. Pull this crap out. This crap out. So. Get in there, boys. Don't be scared to get in there. Right here. And then, I'll skip. And then just skip. I'm probably not gonna get all the skills here. I'm trying to get back to fishing. My guy over there is
I'm about to cut it up a bit. Let's see. Look at that, that's all meat right there. You get a nice slab out of it. You get a nice slab out of that head, so you don't eat that right now. We'll just freeze it, and then you make a soup out of it. Alright, if you got a better way to cut them, you can cut them, but that's what they look like now. Look at that, that's a nice steak right there. We're going to show you how to clean it a bit. Let's fast forward it a little bit. There you go, guys. You can cut it up. This is what the steaks are looking like. Not that thick. We got some thicker ones here. You can cut them thinner if you like. Yeah, steaks. And the tail and garbage. So the next step, of course, is rinse off, and then you do that with lemon, cold water. That's how you clean your fish here, man. After it's scaled, we're gonna add some lemon. Leave for a couple minutes to soak, just a little bit. Lemon will cook your fish, so you don't want to leave it too long. Alright, so got some garlic. Take the minutes until show you how we do this. Salt. Adobo. It's just the coloring because that's the most delicious inside on Goya. And half the over some flour, just flour, regular flour. We're gonna do probably half with flour and then half without flour. Alright, we got one with flour, one without flour. Boom. Cut up your tomatoes, green peppers, yellow peppers, red peppers. Alright, this is what we're gonna make the sauce. ¿Cómo se llama salsa? Escabeche. Salsa de coco. This mix right here is called escabeche. And then add it in. Este es el escabeche y salsa de coco. This fish is smelling pretty good. For today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys on the next one.